Imagine if I told you that just 6 months ago, I was struggling to write a simple Python loop, and today I built a fully functional web application in under 2 hours. The secret wasn't years of grinding through textbooks or expensive boot camps. It was learning how to code alongside artificial intelligence, and by the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap to transform your own coding journey using AI tools that most beginners don't even know exist. Here's the reality that nobody talks about. Traditional coding education is broken. While you're memorizing syntax and debugging for hours, there's an entire generation of developers who are building incredible projects by partnering with AI. They're not cheating, they're not taking shortcuts, they're simply working smarter, and I'm about to show you exactly how they do it. Let me start with a story that will change how you think about learning to code. Last month I met Sarah, a complete beginner who wanted to create a portfolio website. Instead of spending weeks learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript from scratch, she used AI as her coding mentor. Within 3 days, she had a professional-looking site that landed her first freelance client. The difference wasn't her natural talent, it was her approach. The first game-changing strategy is treating AI as your personal coding tutor, not just a code generator. Most beginners make the mistake of asking AI to write entire programs for them, learning nothing in the process. Instead, start every coding session by asking AI to explain concepts before showing you code. When you encounter an error, don't immediately ask for the fix. Ask AI to help you understand why the error occurred and guide you toward the solution. Here's a practical example. If you're learning loops in Python, don't ask AI to write a for loop for you. Instead, say something like this. Explain how loops work conceptually, then show me a simple example and help me modify it step by step. This approach builds your understanding while leveraging AI's ability to provide instant, personalized explanations. The second transformation technique involves using AI to accelerate your debugging skills. Traditional debugging can take hours of frustration, especially for beginners. AI can analyze your error messages and not only identify the problem, but explain the underlying concepts you need to understand. This turns every bug from a roadblock into a learning opportunity. But here's where it gets really powerful. Create what I call an AI learning loop. When you're working on a project, document your questions and AI's explanations in a personal knowledge base. This creates a customized reference guide that grows with your skills. Within weeks, you'll notice patterns in your learning and gaps in your knowledge that you can systematically address. The third breakthrough strategy is project-based learning accelerated by AI. Instead of completing boring tutorials, identify real projects that excite you, then use AI to break them down into manageable steps. Want to build a weather app? Ask AI to create a learning roadmap that takes you from absolute beginner to completing that specific project. This approach maintains motivation while ensuring you learn relevant skills. Here's the psychology behind why this works so well. Your brain craves progress and completion. When you work toward a tangible goal with AI providing just-in-time learning, you experience constant micro-victories that build confidence and momentum. Compare this to traditional courses where you might spend weeks on abstract concepts without seeing practical applications. The fourth transformation involves understanding AI's limitations and using them to your advantage. AI sometimes provides incorrect or outdated information, but this creates perfect learning opportunities. Develop the habit of testing AI-generated code and questioning its suggestions. This critical thinking skill is invaluable for any programmer and will make you more resilient and independent. Now let's talk about the tools that will supercharge your journey. ChatGPT and Claude are excellent for conceptual explanations and code review. GitHub Copilot integrates directly into your coding environment for real-time assistance. But don't overlook specialized tools like Replit's AI features for instant coding environments or CodePen for experimenting with web technologies. Lovable is also hot on the scene with its easy-to-use Vibe coding interface and chat feature. Here's a practical daily routine that combines all these strategies. Start each coding session with a 5-minute AI consultation about your goals for that day. Work on your project with AI as a collaborator, not a replacement. When you encounter challenges, use the explain then implement approach. End each session by asking AI to help you reflect on what you learned and identify tomorrow's priorities. The biggest mistake beginners make is thinking they need to choose between traditional learning and AI assistance. The most successful new programmers combine both approaches. Use AI to accelerate understanding and overcome obstacles, but also engage with coding communities, read documentation, and practice fundamentals. Remember Sarah from earlier? 6 months later, she's working as a junior developer at a tech startup. Her secret wasn't just using AI tools. It was developing a learning methodology that combined AI assistance with deliberate practice and real-world application. Your coding transformation starts today. Pick one small project that genuinely interests you, open your preferred AI tool, and begin with this exact prompt. I'm a coding beginner who wants to build XYZ project idea. Create a day-by-day learning plan that combines AI assistance with hands-on practice. Then take action immediately. The future of coding isn't about competing with AI. It's about partnering with it to become the developer you want to be faster than ever before.